Ooh, wow, look at that. That could be decent.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's close. Yeah, it's not going to come over good. I think I do need a tripod. Yeah, that would probably be the best, just because there's all those people up there. Come on, just for a second. It does kind of seem like it's coming back, doesn't it? Yeah, we're fine. I think it's just kind of a perception thing. Yeah, it's definitely got a motion. Oh yeah. It's some good motion. Yeah. We just need it to condense quickly. It's close.
It is right there. We got it.
Yeah, we should probably go. Alright.
Come on. I was right about May 31st.
Oh man, they cracked on video.
Come on. It is getting... Okay, I am... Oh my God, it's right.
I gotta get the...
Just leave. Shut it.
This cloud is near us, so we can probably go ahead and stop.
Right here, yep.
Man, that
right here. Or here, or wherever.
Oh my God.
Holy crap. Okay, that's good.
Okay, so it's not... Okay.
Yeah, we're good now.
Yeah, I see it.
Let's get out of the westward jump.
I told you, it looked like it was going right over there.
And I thought I was... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my Lord.
Oh, at least it's past 40 without anything bad happening, so that's good.
You know what? That's moving tornado.
I really didn't... Warm RFD, that's what we're missing all day. I'm sure somebody has, but